I think the overall academics over there, the professors, the students, everyone around us, they are top notch. They will push you. They are very smart. They have Carnegie Mellon has a very low and stringent acceptance rate, which probably validates the same. And I think the best part about Carnegie Mellon, which probably stands out from the other schools, is that its course structure, the ability that they give it, they basically enable us to select any kind of electives that we want. And I think the beauty of that is we can take our course as an example. From our course, we've seen people go into the software development group, go into pure analytics, pure data science, pure consultancy, product management. This is all because of the course structure. The entire second year, we were able to take whatever electives we wanted.
It is a very reputed school. All the famous speakers would come there to talk. So we had a talk with Steve Wozniak, who's Apple's co-founder. And yeah, I mean, throughout the year, you had a lot of events, hackathons and all. So yeah, there is a good amount of engagement going on.
This is the land of opportunities. If you all feel the investment is large, it is definitely true. But at the end of the day, the salaries also speak for itself. I think most of our batch, we are looking at a period of from 1 year to 2 years, depending on our city, our pay and everything, to repay our entire loan. Speaking about myself, I took my entire tuition fee from Prodigy Finance, which is an international company. So there are pros and cons to both. As Akshay mentioned, he had taken it from India, I had taken it from International Bank. Probably his interest rate was slightly lower compared to mine, but I think the benefits that Prodigy also provide are more towards they do not require any collateral for that matter. It is entirely online. There is no paperwork, nothing, and like in a matter of seconds everything is done. So I think in terms of loans, there are a lot of opportunities available. You all don't have to worry about anything, how to fund it.
We took electives from the School of Computer Science, which was open for us to take, and we shaped our path accordingly. If you want to go more business oriented, you can take courses from our analytics school, which was Heinz, or even the Tepper Business School. So that is totally up to you guys.
I think I had structured my program in a way that I had taken a lot of consulting courses, which would help me get a job.
My reasoning for MIS was I wanted to get more into analytics and business-oriented things, but eventually I changed my course in between, focusing more towards software engineering, which is a thing that even you guys can do. You can change your track of focus accordingly in between if you feel like. As a fresh graduate, I had very little exposure to the corporate world, and I didn't know much about what consulting was, or how exactly a corporate job would look like. But now I feel glad that I changed my track to a software engineering thing, and it has been working out pretty well for me right now. What I would suggest is do a couple of projects, internships, or publish some papers that helps you focus more on robotics, so that you can showcase that you've done something, you have a base of foundation in robotics that you can sell it through your LORs and SOPs. So what I would say is it is something that you can definitely do. And all you have to do is just shape your profile accordingly, and you can definitely get into it.
What I incurred was 55 lakhs for everything, including tuition and living expenses. So this is considering that I got a teaching assistantship in Pittsburgh, both the sems. So having a teaching assistantship would waiver your living expense. So if you don't get that, I think the entire expense of your course should be around 60 lakhs.
Procedure would be talking to the professor of that course first, and then after you have an approval from the professor, you'll have to talk to the director of your program as well, getting an approval from them. And once both of them are on board, you can take that course, and that would be added to the credits.